Hey guys, this is not a real interview mic, but it looks like one. And wait till you hear the audio from this. Today, I'm testing this combo, and this might be the best upgrade for vloggers in 2026. What's up guys, this is Rapi Samstil, and if you're into real-world gear reviews and honest tests, you're in the right place. And if you love content like this, real gear, real tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload every week. So this is the RØDE Wireless GO Gen 3, and this is the Interview Go. Basically, this turns your tiny wireless mic into a full-on handheld interview mic. Why this is interesting? Now, normally, we use this as a clip-on mic. But with this, you suddenly look like... So guys, this is the sound quality of the RØDE with this wireless... what name of this one?
Yeah.
Wireless interview.
Yeah, wireless interview go.
Did you sell a lot of this?
Yeah, actually, it's useful for the people. They don't have enough, enough money or enough budget for buying wireless hand mic. So it's good. Anyone has any wireless mic like RØDE or DJI, he can use this hand to make it like wireless hand mic. Yeah.
So today we are testing also this RØDE Wireless Go, and with the wireless interview. So this is good for interview type of microphone. So thank you, Mr.
Mr. Zikr, and actually there is like a pop filter. It's make if you are shooting outside or like that, it will prevent the dust, and also it will make some noise cancellation. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's make interview more here. You have did you sell most of this wireless Go?
Yes.
How many wireless RØDE you sold already?
I think this month I sold 10 pieces.
Good, thank you, thank you, thank you. What do you think of this combination?
It's good, it's nice. And it's
See? What I love on this combination is first, the microphone is already 32-bit float. It's no stress for recording. Again, it's easy setup for the microphone and the handle, and it's look more professional when you're using handheld mic while interviewing. So again, this is what I love on this combination. So yeah, it's not a perfect, but for this use case, it's crazy good. So, is this worth it? If you're just vlogging alone, maybe not. But if you want to level up your content, like interviews or storytelling, this is a game changer. Again guys, if you are into honest gear reviews and real world tests, subscribe because I upload every single week. and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm choosing to stay away from all the things you say. I'm losing my head, but in a way I like it, babe. I'm losing touchy feelings. Might come